We got Jerry's bus back in here. We're removing the blower, getting it ready to go. That rubber seal on the back was leaking. It's torn. So, quite a bit involved in getting to the blower on this thing. We're also going to replace the blower gasket, obviously, and a few other things. That rubber is just disintegrated. It's causing this massive oil leak down here. I don't like this. Look at all that crap. I told you you're gonna be cleaning forever in here.
Oh my God. I need like a vacuum cleaner right away.
Yeah, I'll get you the shop vac right away.
There's like a pool of oil.
Yeah, let's try to soak the oil up with towels before you, so you don't soak that all up in my shop vac. But everything else you can soak, screw them.
Well,
there you can see how chewed up that rubber is. It's gone in the middle. Don't knock it down in those holes there. You should put something over those holes.
okay.
Alright, so Jerry spent the whole day yesterday getting this all cleaned up good. This was so nasty in here. You know, that huge puddle of oil that was all over there, totally filled up, running down the sides. Lots of oil leaking out of there, but he's got it cleaned up real good, so we're going to get the blower put back in here. Yeah, it looks really good in there. I'll take just a second, clean a couple things off of that after cooler real quick while we got access to it. There we go. Okay, so we're putting the gasket on, and we use some high tack on it to help hold it in place. Because we put the blower on, we don't want to nudge it out of the way. So we're going to let that kind of dry on there. And then here's our brand new seal that's going to go on there. We're going to put the band clamp on it too, and then the drive shaft will go in the hole. Okay, we got the seal on there. We went ahead and loaded the drive shaft the correct way. So it's ready to go. This is high tack down into place. Should be able to slide that in. Jerry's getting ready to head out now. I got that oil leak fixed. And you know, it was a kind of a nightmare just going through that. All the work that had to be done. It was about a day and a half's worth of work. That was with him getting in there and cleaning and everything too. So you could do it all in a day, but it's a lot of work. Getting that blower off there, you got to remove the cooling system, the turbo, everything like that. So there's a lot of stuff involved in it, and the cleaning was the longest part of it. So I hooked up and ready to leave, and then I noticed a little puddle forming under there. A little bit of a coolant leak. So it's just some coolant coming from this radiator hose. Just get that tightened up, should be good to go. Okay, snugged up his clamp and he's good to go. Should fire it up here in a second.